Making my sister surprise 3D cat nails.
All the things I try to wash away, they've been waiting for my walls to thin. I feel it on my skin, and now the ghosts are flooding in, trying to drown me in my former sins. Let the panic in my lungs begin. I feel it on my skin, a shiver and a shake may take me, but I will still return. The memories that hold me, shape me, a product of the burn. When I'm underneath the
I really
surface,
love the
I
texture,
can shut my
an
eyes
effect
and
this floor has due to me using a regular gel over a jelly gel. I used a darker pink for the soap color, and end up lightening it with Gowie's pastel pink jelly gel. I had to recolor a lot of things making this whole set.
a shiver and a shake me.
Just a reminder, 3D gel is not safe for skin contact, so always make sure to wear gloves when handling it.
Memories that hold me, shape me, a product of the burn.
I use these gants to make it look like there's soap bubbles in the air.
A shiver and a shake me.
Muito feliz com a escolha dela.